guys, my video. This is my base. Yes, it's my account. And somebody give me one of this I did. I'm using my now. But then it wasn't for somebody who's it's a person that, Roblox guy was not gonna give me the good stuff. It wouldn't actually please. Look. You like it, guys? I have actually a lot. And I can once, but never this. The effect is not strong enough. The effect. Okay, I'm not saying the bad words. Drink. Okay, this guy. And I am actually so rich. Yeah, guys. One of my rocks. Just join new for brain rots. Then just send me a friend request, guys. Because that is my name. ADFGSTR5DZV. I'll give you a split second of it, and this will be